Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to clone code from GitHub on VS Code step by step. First, open the command palette by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P on Windows or Linux, or Shift plus Command plus P on a Mac. You'll see a text input field appear at the top center of the VS Code window. In the command palette, type GITL. You only need a few characters and the command will appear in the dropdown. You'll see Git clone in the list. Press Enter to select it. Next, you'll see an option to clone from GitHub. Click it. If you haven't signed in before, VS Code will prompt you to authenticate. Just follow the sign-in process in the browser window that opens. Once you're authenticated, you'll see a list of your repositories. Now you can browse and select from your GitHub repositories. The dropdown lets you filter and pick the repository you want. For example, you could clone something like the Microsoft PowerToys repository. Select the repository you want to clone. Once you've selected the repository, VS Code will ask you to choose a local folder to store it. This is the parent folder. VS Code will create a new subfolder inside it with a repository name. Navigate to where you want to save it, then click Select as Repository Destination at the bottom of the folder picker. The cloning process will start. You might see a progress indicator as VS Code downloads all the files from the repository. When it's done, you'll get a notification in the bottom right corner asking, "Would you like to open the cloned repository?" Click Open. If a workspace trust prompt appears asking if you trust the authors, click Yes, I trust the authors. The repository files will now appear in the Explorer sidebar on the left side of VS Code. In the bottom left corner, you'll see the current Git branch name. This confirms the repository is loaded and connected. Git automatically creates a remote called Origin that points back to the original GitHub repository so you can push and pull changes later. You're now ready to edit files, create branches, and commit changes. Thanks for watching.